Hello, this is Work It Wednesday and I'm Fran Monroe. Today we're going to learn about the elliptical. Now, most of the ellipticals have a manual and they also have where you can pick a workout. So today I'm going to show you how to do both. First of all, we're going to wipe the machine down, of course. So these handles move. These stay stationary. So I would suggest that you grab these to get on top of it first. And then you can go to workouts. It'll let you know that we have interactive courses here, browser workouts, or you can do a quick start, which means that's a manual. So let's do a quick start. Once you hit that quick start, it'll say when it's going to begin. And you just easily just go at your pace. It even lets you know how long time has elapsed. And if you want to, you can bring your own headsets. Go to the television. We have a nice little remote that you can change channels. That's what you want to remember. You only want to change channels with the remote. You can't change it on the screen. Now, when you get done with this manual workout, you want to hit cool down first, because you don't just want to stop it. So you hit your cool down. It'll start to cool down. And then you can hit end workout after your cool down is complete. It'll come up and tell you how many calories you burned, what your distance was, and all the things that you want to find out. So we hit end workout. So I'm going to take you to one of the program workouts. So let's browse them real quick and see what we got. We have interactive courses. We have a fitness test if you'd like to do that as well. So we're going to do the interactive courses. We're going to go to, how about a New Zealand hike? It's for distance and time. So how long you want to go? 20 minutes. What level you want to be? Let's take it to level 4. And then we're going to go Imperial, which is put in our weight. Now I'll tell you, I'm 140. Hit that check mark and then go next. And it's going to tell you to start. And you just start moving. And challenge yourself. You can do that if you like. Make sure you're keeping your feet center in these pedals. And just take yourself on a magical ride. And that's all there is to it. When you're ready to stop again, hit your cool down. End your workout. And it'll give you your stats. It's as simple as that. So come on in. Get that cardio burn. Until the next time. Thank you.